Off the go.
Pass.
Bingo. You got it.
The OSA created a panel, a committee to review football for a couple reasons. One is football's dying. Two, the scores were very, very lopsided, especially in the playoffs. And then three, how do you create something in football where it's fun and kids want to participate?
Nick Bolanev, I'm a senior, play Wilson High School. It's definitely about bringing a winning culture back to Wilson and a more positive experience, definitely for our fans and players.
And I think from the district perspective, we want kids to play football who want to play football. We want it to be a fun experience for them. Losing 70-0 isn't fun. I get that, totally understand that, and we don't want to put kids in those positions.
But this idea that if you were having a struggle as a program, that you could move down and a classification, whatever level you were at, just move down one classification. And what we were told, the logic behind that was that we would be facing teams that were dealing with some of the same struggles that we were.
We obviously don't have the numbers here as a lot of the other schools do, so I think it's good in that sense.
So for them to be in games last year where it's 35 or 42-0 at halftime, and they just know that physically they can't compete with the kids that they're playing against.
Obviously, we're trying to make the playoffs right now, but overall we're just make our community proud.
Our crowd rallied behind us. We slept on the field, and a week's worth of practice really came in. We won 19-0 shutout on our home field.
Way to go. Keep up the good work.